All right, guys. As you can see, I have a few cars in here. Arma Notorious, Traxxas slash 4x4, and the 1/16 scale Traxxas E Revo, also called the Merv or the Mini E Revo. We're going to be running this thing right now. So we're going to be running on 3S, 1400 milliamp Electron Pro, I believe with a 50C discharge rate. So today I actually have the batteries in the car, which is good. What side is this thing on? Here we go. All right, there we go. So like I've said in my other videos, anytime I drive out here on the rocks with the Merv, I have to be careful because rocks like to get stuck in the in between the wheel and the A-arm. So, and also these rocks may look small on camera, but for this little Merv, this thing will tear this thing up. So I have to be careful of those two. So this thing right now, I believe it's stock gearing. If I ran it on concrete with the full pack, oh, what happened? Here we go. Lost the signal for a second. So if I ran it on a full pack, it's probably running about 40 miles per hour. But yeah, like I've been saying in my videos, this thing handles completely different than the 1/10 scale E Revo. It's essentially the same car, but it just handles completely differently. So this one on concrete, it'll do standing backflips. The 1/10 scale kind of absorbs that all in the back, in the rear end on the shocks. But this one does standing backflips all day long. The other one, not so much. So if you change the pinion gear out, this thing, the top speed is around 50, I believe. So 50 miles per hour on 3S. So the drive shafts are still all plastic. I haven't upgraded those. I have upgraded the A-arms. They're going to be RPM A-arms, blue from, I believe I bought them off, one set off of eBay and one set off of Amazon. I've also had to replace the steering servo. When I first got this car, I've had it for a few years now, but when I first got this car, the stock servo kept stripping out the gears inside the box because they're plastic. So I had to upgrade that to a Savox, and they're going to be metal gears. So I haven't had any issues since I replaced that, and I've had the new steering servo for probably about 3 years, maybe even longer actually. I haven't had any issues at all. And it also has more torque, so it turns faster, more aggressive. Yeah. But yeah, as you can see out here, compared to the 1/10 scales or the 1/8 scale Notorious, it doesn't do real well on the rocks. But it's still a blast to drive, especially on flat ground on pavement. Yeah, you see that? I can't get too fast out here. I'll probably break something. So for some reason the remote is losing response, maybe 150, 200 feet out, and I've never had that issue before. Damn! See, that was a small rock and it just flipped me over. I'm not sure which rock it was. It looks like it's this one right here, which is bigger than the tires on the car. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this thing off. But yeah, as you can see, it has RPMA arms blue, pretty nice. But I'll see you guys in the next video.